What's up? We're gonna go ahead and talk about how to set the combination on one of these locks. So first thing you got to do is set it to all zeros. That's the original code. Pop it open. Then there's a little mark on here for a 1 and a 2. So if you want to change the code from what you've already set it to, you can put that code open and do the same thing. All you need to do is put it to the 1. You push it in. Then you're going to rotate it to the 2. And then you go ahead and set whatever code you want it to be. So you can set it to all 2s if you wanted, whatever number you want. And then you are going to rotate it one more time. It's all 2s now. If you go back to all zeros, it will not work. Go to all 2s. And you come back, you go to 1, push it in, turn it to 2. And then you can set it to whatever code you want again to reset it. So we'll go with all 6s. And that's it. Hope this helps somebody out. Y'all take it easy.